When you write JavaScript, it doesn't just run in thin air. It runs inside something called a runtime, and the runtime determines what your code has access to. Things like APIs, built-in functions, and what dependencies you can use. Right now, there are 4 main JavaScript runtimes you'll encounter: the browser, Node.js, Dino, and Bun. Node, Dino, and Bun are all runtimes for running JavaScript outside the browser, typically for back-end code or local scripts. The browser is where your front-end code lives. Here's something that surprises a lot of beginners. Even if you're building a front-end app, you're probably still using Node.js on your local machine. Frameworks like React and Vue use Node tooling to build and bundle your code before it ever reaches the browser. And that's where NPM comes in. NPM stands for Node Package Manager. It's how you install libraries, manage dependencies, and run your project. You initialize a project with npm init, install packages with npm install, and run your app with npm run start. The runtime is the environment. npm is the toolbox. Know which one you're in, know what you have access to.